Okay, so on this video, I'm actually just asking you guys for recommendations. I have this MOVO wireless mic, a WMX7 that I've been using. I'm not totally happy with the quality of it. I think the audio is a bit muffled. It just doesn't have the high-end response, the clarity that I'm looking for. You'll probably notice this in some of my videos. One of the things I want to have is the capability to use AA batteries, because I have the rechargeable AA batteries that are always plentiful. I order them either 8 or 16 at a time. And I like something small, form factor like this, so that I can wear it on my belt easily. I do like the lapel mic. I think it does add a little bit of audio quality to the experience. One thing I did notice about the WMX7 is, let me get the receiver down here. So there is the receiver, and I went ahead and, hard to see, super glued some magnets to the back of it so I can attach it to a metal piece. But now what I noticed is if I try to use the line output right there, it has an incredible amount of noise. So I ended up using the headphone output, and then it's going to be kind of hard to see, but I'm going through, kind of see it dangling there. That is a headphone volume control, so I can attenuate it down to mic levels. And it really does help with the signal to noise ratio. Let me go ahead and I'll just unplug it and I'll show it to you real quick. Okay, so this is a headphone adjustment, but I use it for mic level audio, and it really does a good job to attenuate it down to the mic level that I need it to be. But like I was saying, I'm sure you can tell a difference in the audio quality right now. I'm just using the microphone built into the camera. But if I try to use the line out, like I said, really bad signal to noise ratio. I'm just not happy with it. I mean, the whole microphone system was only like $90, so I'm not out too terribly much. But I was thinking of going with the Rode. So if anybody has any info on the Rode microphones, I'm looking at the one that's the same form factor as this, and it has the lapel mics, and it is a 2.4 gigahertz digital spread spectrum transmission from what I understand. So just looking for some advice if anyone has any info. By the way, the zip ties on here are just to relieve the strain. I don't like to use the strain relief on either the microphone or the connector, so I zip tie the cables to there. That way, if I have to do a splice midstream, I've got plenty of wire left. I can put a little splice right here and heat shrink it together, and all the force is out a few inches, because normally where these things fail is right where they go in. So anyhow, if anybody has any info on any microphones that might be a good suit, I would certainly like to hear from you. Thank you for making it to the end of this very short video on wireless transmitter selection. You can email me, norcal715videos@gmail.com. Go ahead and leave me a question, a comment, a concern down below. I'd appreciate some input from you guys out there as to what a good quality with good tonal response would be. Everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.